kind of flat. Got a nice dirty brownish, get the whole building covered. Wow! I'm doing a wash on this building for my miniature set design for my future films. I want to give it a realistic looking wear. There's lots of nooks and crannies in these bricks. I want to take advantage of that by getting some light paint deep into the crevice. It gives it a nice depth. But you can't see how plain this looks because of the way I have the lighting. So let's change this up for a second. Now you can see with the sun directly on it, it's really just kind of flat, vague. It's just this bland color. So I'd like to just get a wash in here to get in between where the mortar usually catches a lot of dirt, just to give it a more realistic city kind of feel. So let's get to it. Typically, I don't have the science down perfectly. Usually I'm adding too much water, sometimes not enough, but I've found a little bit of luck with this. We got a mix of black and burnt umber in there. A little bit of sprout green I'm adding in there. A little bit of burgundy brick. It'll come out. I just like to wet my brush. This is a large amount of paint, so we're probably gonna have to do this a couple of times. I'll just take what's there. We can't see shit, can we? This is mix in bullshit. One more brush of water. And that's really the consistency I like. I can see some orange in there. It should render nicely. Don't want to waste water. You want to be able to have it stick pretty well, and the water lets it kind of have a gradient effect. Usually what I do is I start and then I have an emergency and go, oh crap, I never grabbed a towel because I'm terrible at prep. So let's go grab a towel. Got one. This isn't the most naughtiest of rags that I've used before. I usually want to use a really naughty rag for this sort of thing, but I'm not in the mood to look for one. Let's just make this a naughty rag. Just apply it on a certain area. People who actually know about washes may be wincing right now because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. This is where you can kind of go in with water and get a little bit closer. Behold. Well, it's what we're going with, so like it or not, that's what's happening. Clean that up again. You know what? This is not sticking good enough. We're gonna add some more black to this mix. I think I'm gonna add some gray too. People who know how to do this, feel free to destroy me in the comments. This is definitely gonna be a thicker thing. Definitely more substance to this. I like the dark gray look. What have I gotten myself into? Water! 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 Yes, that is what I'm looking for right there. I just have to ask myself, how dirty do I want this baby to be? Definitely get these underhangs as gravity tends to have its impact on this effect. There we go. Just a dirty, dirty building in the middle of the city. Hard out here for a pimp. How's that for a naughty rag, huh? Look at that bad boy. That's a naughty rag now. Anyways, guys, I'm happy with the result. There's some additional things I'm gonna do to this, but for the most part, this is a basic wash. It did what I wanted it to do. I'll add some details and whatnot. If you want to know how I made this homemade fire escape out of stuff you can find at the thrift store, look out for the video. I'll see you in the next one.